This problem is for black to kill white here on the corner. So white's eye space is very big. If black tries to reduce it from the outside like this, then white can live very easily. So when reducing eye space doesn't work, when you're trying to kill your opponent's group, you must find your opponent's weakness. In this pattern, the weakness is this shape. When you see this, black's move should be this one right here on the 2-1 point. If white ignores it and plays on the outside, then black will be able to capture these two white stones in a snapback like this. So white must do something to number 1. Otherwise, these two white stones will be captured and white will not have enough eye space to live. So if white plays this, then now, after this exchange, black can play on the outside. And this will become a corner bent 4 pattern that is a dead shape for white. So white cannot succeed by playing at number 2. Right after this exchange, this eye space is suddenly a dead shape for white. So the strongest response white can do is this one right here. And now what black does is also very important. Black plays on the outside like this. And now what's interesting is that white cannot play either of these points. Right? If white plays here, then black will be able to capture like this. And if white plays this, then black will capture as well. So the best white can do is to connect to prevent this snapback by black. And now black can once again play on the outside, reduce white's eye space. And this will once again be a corner bent 4 pattern that is a dead shape for white. If you're not familiar with the corner bent 4 shape, please feel free to check out lesson 209 in chapter 2, Life and Death, on my channel. There I explain in detail why this pattern is a dead shape for white. So the main takeaway from this pattern is this move, number 1, that aims to cut off these 2 white stones that can effectively reduce white's eye space into a dead shape. Thank you for watching.